In this video, I'll show you how to unpublish a product in WooCommerce. And as an example, let's take a look at the coffee table product on my site. As you can see, it's fully accessible to any visitor. Let's assume we need to hide it from both the shop page as well as from the individual product page right here. So in order to unpublish the product, first we'll log into WordPress admin. And then on the left side of the screen, hover on products and then select all products. Now look for the product in question, in my case in this one, coffee table, and then select edit. Once the product editor loads, on the right side of the screen, look for the publish section and then look for status. Then select edit. Then click on drop-down menu, then select draft, and then press OK. Then click on update. Once the product was updated, open your website in a new browser and try refreshing the product page. And as you can see, it now says the page can't be found. Now let's try refreshing the shop page. Yes, you can notice the coffee table product is not available on the main shop page. And lastly, if you're looking to unpublish multiple products at the same time, in that case, the process is very similar. Once again, go back to the WordPress admin. Then on the left side of the screen, under products, click on all products. Now select multiple products. I'll select yellow chair, modern sofa, and gray sofa. Now at the very top, click on bulk actions, select edit, apply, then look for the status, click on drop down, then select draft, scroll down, and then click on update. Once again, let's go back to the shop page. Let's try refreshing it. And as you can see, 3 of the selected products are now hidden. So as usual, I hope you found this video useful. If more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.